Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to like a reel on Instagram. With the platform constantly evolving, it's essential to stay updated on the simplest ways to engage with content. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the newest features. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be ready to explore the world of Reels. Next, find the reel you want to like. You can do this by tapping on the Reels icon located at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to a feed filled with various reels from users you follow and others that Instagram suggests based on your interests. Scroll through until you come across a reel that catches your eye. Now comes the fun part. To like the reel, you have two options. The first option is to click on the heart icon located on the right-hand side of the screen. This heart symbolizes your appreciation for the content creator's work. Simply tap it, and voila! You've liked the reel. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, you can double-click on the reel itself. This action will also register a like instantly, making it a seamless way to engage without interrupting your viewing experience. Remember, liking reels is not just about showing appreciation. It also helps creators understand what type of content resonates with their audience. So don't hesitate to express your support. In summary, liking a reel on Instagram is straightforward. Open the app, find a reel that interests you, and either tap the heart icon or double-click on the video. It's that simple. Now go ahead and spread some love for those creative reels out there. Thanks for watching. Enjoy exploring and liking all those amazing reels on Instagram.